Hello again. In this video we will start talking about the sketch tools. So after opening SolidWorks, select the front and start a sketch. As you can see, we are perpendicular now to the plane. If you're not, select the sketch, then select normal too. Make sure to have the same orientation. Basically, when talking about the sketch tools, we are talking about lines, rectangles, circles, slots, polygons, arcs, ellipses, and so on. So for now, we'll start with the simplest tool, which is the line tool. In SolidWorks, we have three types of lines. We have regular line, and we have center lines, and we have midpoint lines. Let's start with the first one. Line is defined as the shortest distance between 2 points. So to define a line, we need to define 2 points. After selecting the line from the ribbon here, click anywhere in the working area, move the mouse, and click again. Now, SolidWorks assumes that you want to create a line chain. That's why, if you move the mouse again, you still have the line command active. So, move the mouse again and click anywhere. To exit the command, just select it again from the ribbon. To delete any segment, just select it and hit the delete button on the keyboard. Now, the second type is center line. The same way, sketch a center line, then exit the command. Later on in this course, we will see the difference between the regular line and the center line. The third type is midpoint line. So the first click here indicates the midpoint of a line, and the second click indicates one of the ends, like this. Now, we are only interested in creating these entities without dimensions and without any relations. After we finish the part of creating entities, we will talk about dimensioning and relations. Now, to clear the screen, use the scroll to zoom out. Then from this side, click and hold, then select everything. Then hit the delete button on your keyboard. That's it for creating lines. In the next video, we will talk about creating rectangles.